Oh my gosh.
What's up, YouTube? It's Airsoft Depot, Hog Snakes, whatever, aka my name. Haha, DG. Well, what I'm going to be doing is a review over the Traxxas. It's actually for racing. It's waterproof. It's really nice. But I'm having a problem with it. Yesterday I was out doing a war, and I won't be posting that, but I have issues with it. I broke the axle. Can you see? Well, yeah. I broke the axle, and um it won't really move anymore because that's the rear axle. But I really like this because it's waterproof and it can go through like puddles and everything. But it's like has handles for it for like picking it up, carrying, hefty. And then the remote, it's very long. Like, this is electric instead of a gas, so it can go through water. This remote has throttle trim, steering trim, and neutral, and all that stuff. And you steer it simply doing this. And this has very good suspension. And how I broke the throttle the other day is I hit like a bump really, really hard, and it kind of like broke. And yeah, well, I'm going to somewhere. I'm not going to share it because you might know where it is. It's where they like fix this stuff. It's where I actually bought this. It was brand new, $300, and has really, really good suspension. I've I've burned out this motor. It's Titan, and I burn it out from going forward and then, or going backwards and then going forwards and doing wheelies. So I don't recommend doing that. And great. So this is the Traxxas. Alright, Traxxas. Not sure what thing it is. XL5, the Titan 12T. It was made in Taiwan, and great. So this is made by Traxxas, and this, I think my dad rigged this up. And the remote takes 8 AA batteries. And while we're at doing reviews, I'm going to give a shout out to DeathCore Airsoft, aka the Farm Airsoft, and BensxProductions. These guys are great. If you want to see real wars, sorry for the bump on the camera, they do real wars. And like, I'm gonna start doing wars and stuff because my gun's not here, so we couldn't plan it. And they do reviews, unboxings, and everything else. Like, they do great stuff. And like, it's just perfection what they do. It's like beautiful, and all their stuff is so pretty. I know that's weird. Alright, I'm just kidding. Actually, they do great stuff. I watch their channel like pretty much every day if I'm allowed on the computer because I get grounded a lot. So, I am DG Anonymous, aka Hog Snakes, aka Airsoft Depot. We have a member to our Airsoft family, Rhett, Cade, Riley, and Ryan. Those are our 5 people. And Cole, his name is. And that's our Airsoft family, and have a good day, rate and subscribe, and